Carl Jung once said, "I'd rather be whole than good." But what does it mean to be whole? Not happy, not successful, not perfect, whole. In this third installment of our deep dive into Jungian psychology, we go beyond the shadow, into the forgotten, the repressed, the divine, and the dark. Because the real healing doesn't happen in the light. It begins in the dark corners of the psyche, where the pieces you have rejected still wait to be seen. Each of us walks through the life with a story, but what we show the world is rarely the full version. Jung called this the persona, the mask we wear to meet society's expectations. It's not fake, it's just incomplete. Beneath it lies a rich landscape of suppressed emotions, disowned traits, unlived potentials. These fragments make up the rest of us, the parts that don't fit neatly into the role we have been taught to play. Over time, we forget those pieces. We become roles: mother, professional, caretaker, achiever. But deep inside, something aches. That ache is the call to wholeness. And it's not a luxury, it's a psychological necessity. Jung developed a method called active imagination. It's not daydreaming, it's dialogue between you and the parts of you that have no voice. The sad child, the angry rebel, the wise elder. When you sit with these figures, ask them questions, allow them to speak, you start to build a relationship with your unconscious. This isn't easy. Sometimes what you hear will shake you: shame, longing, rage. But in listening, you offer these parts what they never got: acknowledgement. You stop being at war with yourself. And that is the beginning of inner peace. Integration isn't about fixing yourself. It's about reuniting with yourself. It's slow, sometimes silent, often invisible to the outside world. You begin to see patterns in your relationships. You start to react differently. You become more rooted, less triggered. Wholeness means you can hold opposites without needing to resolve them. Joy and grief, confidence and doubt, strength and softness. Jung believed that this was the goal of individuation, not perfection, but balance. The alchemists called it the coniocio, the sacred union of opposites. In modern life, it means making room for all of who you are, even the uncomfortable, even the parts you don't fully understand yet. So how do we apply this today? In a world that demands constant clarity, how do you honor your complexity? Start small. Practice reflective journaling. Name your inner voices. Notice the masks you wear in different places. Give space to what you feel without judgment. Read Jung, but also read yourself, your dreams, your resistance, your emotional triggers. That is the map. Therapy helps, so does solitude, so does art. Because this is an inner art, crafting the mosaic of who you really are. Jung's work wasn't about becoming someone new. It was about remembering who you are: whole, messy, brilliant, broken, and beautiful. If this journey stirred something in you, know this: you're not alone. Many of us are walking this path quietly, courageously, toward wholeness. Subscribe to the Mindful Mirror for more. And if you have begun your own journey within, drop a comment. Your story matters.